Mears Group is a company that employs 20,000 people. We do social housing repairs and maintenance throughout the whole of the UK, and we also do about 150,000 domiciliary care hours per week. We've got a turnover approaching £900 million a year.
So with regards to analytics, back in probably 2003, we implemented a data warehouse. It was very IT driven.
We found analytics was quite a challenge for us.
So we first saw IBM Watson Analytics at a conference event at IBM when we went to look at their connections product.
So got the product, dropped an Excel spreadsheet into it. It was just unbelievable what it came back with. Confirms what we already knew, which is always a good sign, but also gave us things that we didn't know. We were dropping all sorts of information in and then throwing it out to the business.
We found it was very easy to get a visual representation of what we were looking at, and really surprised by the questions it prompted us. Your data would go in and suddenly there were 6 or 7 English phrases of "would you like to see this in your data?" And it was unbelievable for a reporting tool to actually tell you what you should actually look at. The feedback from the people outside of the IT department that can now use it are saying, can we have more licenses? This is going to go around the business. You know, various different department heads have been ringing us up saying, what's this Watson Analytics? I've heard great things about it. When can we have it?
Big client in the north of England that gave us some information. What can you tell us about our information that we don't already know? So I took that spreadsheet, dropped it into Watson Analytics, and it was great because within about 2 hours, 3 hours, I'd actually created a dashboard that showed information that they didn't know. All of a sudden, we're not limited to what information we need and what format it needs to be. So if we can grab hold of that information and just drag and drop it into something, yes, it's a different sort of like set of dashboards, but it's giving us that information straight away. Anybody can use it. It's not an IT solution, it's a business solution.